20-year-old mechanic charged with rape of teen. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 20-year-old mechanic has been arrested and charged after he allegedly raped a teenage girl on Slipdock Road, Kingston on Tuesday, March the 1st. Charged with rape is Alex Bartley of Glasspole Avenue in Rockford, Kingston. Reports from the Center of Investigation of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse, (CISOCO), are that Barley allegedly entered the teen room from a balcony and allegedly raped her. Following an investigation, Barley turned himself into the police on Friday, August the 19th. He was charged following an interview. His court date is to be arranged. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.